Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to show you how I got some of my tools and the earth to bring to the garden. That's the parking lot right at the end there. You have to cross that gate and then come and also cross this gate. So, and I had some things to take there. That's the box there. That box there has my tools and 2 bags of earth, because today I want to come and do some work in the garden, because I have in my mind to do some suspension beds. So I will show you how I took the thing up with ease. This place part here of the road here, as you can see, is paved, but this part here is not paved. It's a little bit difficult for me to pull it there, but it's much more easier than coming up here and collecting a wheelbarrow to come and get the things there, or making 2 trips. How I used 1 trip to get this. So I went into the corners of the wood and got this wood. This wood is fragile, but I use this to hook the wheels that I have in my car to pull it there. And I had this end here, so in case if this breaks, then I will use this end. It's easy to pull the box if it is long. So let me show you how I put it in. I was supposed to come up and get this wheelbarrow here. That's the wheelbarrow there. Because of the nature of the rough earth here, or the rough thing here, one of my tools fell off. This is what I had, the content of this. This is a circular saw here, and my drills, and probably a hacksaw there. My tools, some of my tools. Then some water. This for not for drinking, but watering the garden. Since the garden is not fully operational, they have not opened the water that is in the garden, so it's not flowing. It's not flowing yet. Since I had some things that I planted before, though it died because the frost came. But I'm hoping that it's going to revive this bitter herb. And beside there is sweet potato. So those are tropical things. It doesn't like freeze. So, but those other plants there, like that strawberry, it grow all year round. My intention today was to come and saw this and make some hanging beds. This is things that were removed. I don't know what happened. Things that were removed from somebody's home and came and dumped here. So they are going to put these things and trash them. So those are the mattresses that are there. And this is the man's TV that is broken, or the person's TV that is broken. And they have these beds here, and the chairs, sofas and things. Even the lamp is there. Their vacuum is there. But all this, I got this from the bed. I'll be making some boxes there. So as you see, this was probably the dining table. It was too heavy for me to bring it here, so I have to undo the legs. Those are the legs that are painted there in green. So I will either saw this and make some boxes there, or I will put some wood on it and then fill it with earth and raise it higher and make some suspending beds there that I can go under and still plant some other things under, because I have this small garden plot here. My neighbor has a much more bigger plot, but I used to have two plots, one like this on the other end there, which I've given it to my goddaughter to do. So I want to make provision, and I want to tell you, though you see that it's not a box, or whether it's not a wood, this is made out of paper. So since the rain came, it has opened this place. This thing was supposed to be indoor, not out in the rain. So that's my project today. I will saw it and make two boxes here. This one here, I will just make a deep box on it. So have a great day. God bless you. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video, like them. I'll be knocking off the shelves there. I knocked one off already. I knocked the rest two off and cut that. I'm unable to create the box today. All my batteries, they died. I pull this off from here and put it there. It ran for a second and died. And while the other bigger one was dead already. So I call it off for the day.